Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are well. See, Nana, we have completed revision up to chapter number 7. Today I am going to revise chapter number 8, The Shepherd Boy, part 2. The Shepherd Boy, part 2. Okay, before to start the new part 2. Let us check now. This is the 8th chapter. First we will discuss about the meanings, children. First I will give you the meanings explanation. Then we will go for the opposites. See Nana, first one in the meanings, gloomy. What is the word given to you? Gloomy. Gloomy means feeling sad. Gloomy means feeling sad. What does the gloomy mean? Feeling, Feeling, feeling sad. Next word, children. Coming to the second word, rustle, rustle, rustle. Here T is silent, rustle. So the rustle meaning move together, move together, move together and make a sound. Move together and make a sound. Okay, children. Coming to the third one, bleat. B-L-E-A-T, bleat. What does the word bleat? What does the word bleat means, children? See children, bleat. Let us discuss bleat word. Bleat meaning Nana, make a weak cry. Make a weak cry. What does the bleat means Nana? Make a weak cry. Coming to the fourth one, children, they gave gas. What they gave Nana? Gas. Now let us see what does the word gasp mean. Gasp means a sudden, S-U-D-D-E-N, sudden breath. Gasp means a sudden breath. What do you mean by the gasp, children? A sudden breath. See Nana, first one, gloomy, feeling sad. Rustle, move together and make a sound. Bleat. What is it? What is this word, children? Bleat. Bleat means make a weak cry. Next one, gasp. Gasp means Nana, a sudden breath. Coming to the fifth one, children, ladle. L-A-D-L-E, ladle. See children, ladle means serve soup. Ladle means serve soup. Okay, what does the ladle word mean? Serve soup. Coming to the sixth one, children, scowl. S-C-O-W-L, scowl. Scowl means angry face. A-N-G-R-Y, angry, F-A-C-E, face. Angry face. Okay, now see Nana, gloomy. Once check out, gloomy, feeling sad. Rustle, move together and make a sound. Bleat, make a weak cry. Gasp, a sudden breath. Ladle, serve soup. Scowl, angry face. Scowl, angry face. These are all about the meanings. Now let us discuss Nana few of the opposites given in this chapter. Let us discuss the opposites. See children, the first opposite word given, strange. S-T-R-A-N-G-E, strange. Familiar. F-A-M-I-L-I-A-R, familiar. Strange, familiar. Next one, man. M-A-N, man. Word woman. W-O-M-A-N, women. W-O-M-A-N, women. Brother. B-R-O-T-H er, brother. Brother opposite nana sister, sister, sister. Next one, narrow, narrow, narrow. Narrow opposite nana wide, wide, wide. Narrow, wide. Next one, escape, escape. Escape, escape opposite we can write capture, capture. Capture, escape, capture. Next one children, appeared, appeared. Appeared, appeared opposite we can give children disappeared. Appeared we can write as disappeared. Now let us check out once again the opposites given here. Strange opposite familiar, familiar opposite strange. Next nana man opposite women, women opposite man, man women, women man. Brother sister, sister brother. Narrow, wide, wide, narrow. Escape, capture, capture, escape. Appeared, disappeared, disappeared, appeared. These are the opposite words. Okay children, now let us check out the question answers related to this topic. Now we are going to discuss question and answers related to this topic. Once have a look children. Question and answers. What was the weather like? Question number 1. How was the weather? How was the weather? How was the weather in this chapter? Explain the children. We have to give the answer. We can write children, the weather was, the weather, weather, weather was, the weather was dark, gloomy, and windy. See children, how was the weather nana? The weather was dark, gloomy and windy. The weather was dark, gloomy and windy. Coming to the question number 2 children. What did Nandu see? What did Nandu see on the rock behind him? On the rock behind him. What did Nandu see on the rock behind him? Nandu saw a wolf on the rock behind him. What we can write children? Nandu saw a wolf on the rock behind him. What we can write here? Nandu saw a wolf on the rock. Nandu saw a wolf on the rock behind him. Behind him. Okay. See the first question children. How was the weather? The weather was dark, gloomy and windy. What did Nandu see on the rock behind him? Nandu saw a wolf on the rock behind him. What did he do next? What is our question, Nana? What did he do next? What did he do next, children? He shouted for the help of villagers. Question number 3. What did he do next? What did he do next? He shouted for the help of villagers. He shouted for the help of the villagers. So in this way, children, today we have discussed meanings, opposites and the question answers. Few more questions are there in this chapter. Later on we will discuss in our next session, children. Once you revise whatever I have explained to you today, and once you practice in your rough book also, and write neat handwriting in your CWs. Have a nice day, all of you.